Hi there, I'm Kathleen Pagnini, Core Specialist. The question today is, what happens when you don't have a strong inner core? Well, we've talked briefly about the body in layers and that you have an outer core, which are your abdominals, your back muscles, the obliques, that actually helps move your spine to a flexion, extension, that sort of thing. The inner core is your diaphragm, the fascia around the sides of the spine, your transversus abdominis in the middle, which sits behind your belly button, and then the pelvic floor at the bottom. So my clients say, Kathleen, why do I need my inner core? Why do I need a strong, responsive inner core and pelvic floor? Well, although my partner is a doctor and I work very closely with her, I'm not a doctor. But what we have found and what we have noticed in this inner core program that we're launching is that the lack of tone on the pelvic floor, which is the bottom of your core, and the pre-activation of your inner core, that has to happen tiny split second before your outer core fires, all right? So if it doesn't happen, what's happening is that your outside muscles are doing all the work. Your inner core and pelvic floor is responsible for a lot. That stabilizes your spine. So if that is not working, the muscles on the outside have to do basically two jobs. They have to move you and they have to stabilize you. So what happens is that oftentimes with men will have hamstring issues, groin pulls, back pain. Women, on the other hand, because of their pelvic floor muscles are a little bit different than men, but still relates to the bottom of the inner core. If they don't have a toned and responsive inner core and pelvic floor, their issues are also back pain, leaking urine when you cough, laugh, or sneeze is probably one of the bigger symptoms that you may notice, a poochy low bum, a poochy low belly, all right? A butt that seems to be dragging a little bit. So arthritis in the knees, arthritis in the hips, neck issues, joint issues. I really can't tell you how important the inner core is for pre-activation prior to the outer core. It saves you a lot of trouble, money, time, and pain. There you have it.